Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tradeveeer. My name is Chetan, and today in this video I'm going to tell you how to use investing.com, which is an application, a software to use. As you can see here, that this is a global financial portal and internet brand composed of 33 editions in 24 languages and mobile apps for Android. Like you can just read this information, right? This helps you to get all the information related to the stock market or financial markets around the world. Any type of information is available on this particular portal. This is a very useful portal, and along with your you guys will be using a software for online trading, uh, a broker platform. Apart from those broker platforms, you can use this platform as well, because this will help you in many new things, and many different types of cases and scenarios. So I'll tell you how to use this portal, right? So as you can see, this is the main page or home page of this portal, and you can just log in with your email ID, and after that you just come to this portfolio tab, and after you click on this tab, you can add you can create your own watch list. You can add stocks, you can add indexes or indices, you can add indexes of global markets. Like, see, this is the DAX, and this is Hang Seng Hong Kong market, this is Nikkei Japanese market, and this is Taiwan weighted Taiwan's market, Nifty 50 Indian market, FTSE 100 dollar index. You can watch, you can check dollars price as well, and you can also check USD INR pairs price, whether it's going up or down. You can add gold, you can check gold prices, you can check crude oil, you can check Brent oil, Korean market, Indian volatility index, which is India VEX. So you can also add stocks like, I've added SBI, I've added Glenmark Pharma, ICI Bank, Hindustan Unilever, Tata Consultancy, Colgate Palmolive, Kotak Mahindra, Axis Bank, Infosys. And this is an index, Nifty Media. Nifty Media is an index of media sector. So this is Nifty MNC, this is Nifty 500, Nifty Energy, Nifty Commodities. These all are indexes, these are not stocks. So if you work in a stock market, you must have the idea about what about stocks, difference between stocks and indexes. So I'm not going to tell you the difference between indexes and stocks in this video. So I'm just going to show you how to take advantage of this portal. This is a great portal. You can do one thing, like you can go to markets, right? You can click on markets, and then you can click here on analysis and opinion. You can get different types of opinions on this on this page, and you can check news, all types of news, global news. You can check Indian news, stock market news, and you can check commodity prices, commodity news. You can Different types of commodities are available, like different types of commodities are there. So you can check major commodity prices, commodity indices, metals, energy, agriculture, live charts of commodities. And then you can check funds, you can check ETFs, you can check shares, you can check indices, bonds, and certificates, cryptocurrency, everything. This is a very good portal. You guys should use this portal, right? So, and you can check, you can click on news and analysis, and you can click on latest news, most popular news, coronavirus news, forex, which is foreign exchange, commodities and futures, stock market, economic indicators and indicators news, cryptocurrency, economy, political, global. And apart from that, you can click on tools. I'll show you one thing, that you can click here. If you click here on stock screener, this is a very great feature of this portal. After you click on stock screener, you can search for good stocks by using different parameters. or different criterias, right? So for example, you can set country. If you click India, right, because we in India, if you click India, there are different types of exchanges. So if you click on all exchanges, then you go to sectors. You can choose a sector, right? For example, I'm just choosing basic material sector, right? And then industries you can choose. For example, I'm choosing which one? Uh, Airline, right? Airline industry. So now here you will get all stocks related to airline industry. Unfortunately, there are no stocks available uh, in this search right now. The types of search I used. Now, if you click on all industries, you will get most of the stocks, right? All types of stocks available will be available here. So you can see there are many pages, right? And these all are Indian stocks, and you can check whether they are listed on NSE or they are listed on BSE. There are two different exchanges. Both are major exchanges, right? So most of the people they work on NSE because of the volume, high volume on NSE. Most of the people use NSE, but other exchanges also good. The BSE is also the oldest exchange of India. So some people they trade or they invest through BSE as well. So like you can click on fund. If you click on fundamentals, this app will show you all the fundamentals, like how much, what is the beta of the stock, what is the revenue of this company, what is PE ratio of this company, what is the market value of this company, what is the dividend yield, everything, like candlestick patterns, what candlestick patterns are showing of these particular stocks. Then technicals you can check, like you can check performance, technical, everything. So this is a great application, okay? And in another video I'll tell you more about this application. You can explore this application. This will help you a lot. You can use a stock screener, and stock screener will help you to find high beta stocks, low beta stocks, then stocks which have good PE ratio. You can set PE ratio, you can set different types of indicators, technical indicators, and then you can basically filter, use those filters, and you can easily get the stocks accordingly, right? So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Use this application, right? And I hope you do well on trading, with your trading and with your investment. So all the best. Okay, thank you so much for your time. Please like my video, please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos on related to stock market. Also please share with your friends, and please do comment for your valuable feedback. Okay, thank you so much. Good night.